Grok is now paid, don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 powerful AI tools that you can use for video generation, and they're absolutely free and unlimited. You can use them to generate your viral content within seconds. The first one is Qwen AI. This is one of the most powerful AI tools out there that a lot of people are not talking about. Today, I'll be showing you how it works. First of all, we've already selected their latest video model, which is 3.6 plus. You can see how the interface is, everything is easy to understand. So come over to the plus button, click it, and you'll see different options here. Upload attachment, deep search, create image, create video, web dev, slides, and more. Today, we're going to create a video. So to see our video result, come over here, type in our prompt, and boom, our video is generating. The video has finished generating. This is the prompt used for it. So let's take a look at the video. You can see how realistic this video looks. The lighting, the background, the interior, everything is so realistic that you can use it for your viral content. The amazing thing about this tool is that it's unlimited and free. You can generate as many videos as possible. Let's try another prompt. Paste in our prompt, then generate. The video has finished generating, so let's take a look at it. You can see how realistic this video looks. And the amazing thing about this tool is that you can generate as many videos as possible. The next one is Arena AI. This AI tool is one of the most powerful tools for video generation, and it's absolutely free and unlimited. You can generate as many videos as possible. So let's type in our prompt, and then boom, you can see the video is generating. Another amazing thing about this AI tool is that it generates 2 videos and gives you options to choose either A or B, or you can choose both, which is very nice. And it's absolutely free. So our video is generating. The video is finished generating. You can see the prompt we used for it. So let's take a look at the video. You can see how realistic this video looks. The background, the styling, everything is ultra realistic. And the amazing thing about this tool is that it gives you 2 options to select from. You can see the 2 generated videos. Let's play the second one. You can see how realistic this video looks, the interior, everything. Another amazing thing about this tool is that you can generate as many videos as possible. It's unlimited and absolutely free. So the last one is called Dreamina.ai. This is my favorite video generator. You can see it has a lot of already made templates, which you can use for your viral content. You can also remix AI images to your own taste, and it gives you great results. You can see this is the prompt used for it. And this is the image model 5 Lite. I believe this should be their latest image model. So today we'll be looking at AI videos. Come over here and select the AI video option, then choose the latest video model of Dreamina, which is 1.5 Pro, and select video. That's all. You can see the already made templates, which you can use for your viral content. You can also edit them like I mentioned earlier. So let's type in our prompt. Boom, our video is generating. The video has finished generating. You can see this is the prompt used for it. So let's take a look at the video. You can see how realistic this video looks, ultra realistic. The background, everything looks so real. And the amazing thing about this tool is that you can generate as many videos as possible for your viral content. If you found this video helpful, please kindly like, share, and comment. See you in the next one.